5-cent coffee and free ice water.
I don't know why, but I just absolutely adore old buildings. We're at the Struppel Hotel, which has mineral baths. Bullet hole actually happened just recently. All right, so we got kicked out. We're Rich and Chris. We hit the road in April of 2020, traveling full-time on motorcycles. Remember, it's not what you ride, but that it's your ride. I don't think we kind of told you guys what the heck we're doing here. We're making a trek across South Dakota is actually what we're trying to do. And South Dakota's weather is kind of kicking back at us a little bit. Yesterday it was really windy. We were even questionable whether we could camp out here with Ruby, but it turned out okay. Now we've got rain coming in that we're going to be kind of chasing for the next 2 days. So anyway, all this to say, welcome to South Dakota. It's all in a day's ride, I guess is what it boils down to. We're just kind of doing some real quick one-nighters back across, heading east to the Great River Road. And for those of you who like and prefer to keep moving and doing one-nighters, that's kind of what we're doing. And it's getting really easy for us on Ruby to a certain extent. Like this morning, we didn't set up anything, so we had no coffee. So we're heading into Wall Drug because they have 5-cent coffee. I think Richard could care less whether it's 5 cents or $10 at this point. He just needs coffee. So that's where we're headed this morning. We'll see you at Wall Drug. Hi there. In case you're wondering, we got a new blue jug. This is actually our 3rd blue jug. The first one lasted over a year, and we think it just kind of too much sun and too much tightening on the back of my bike, something anyway. The second one lasted probably less than a month, and the gasket got all crinkled, and we tried working with it, and that got really old really quick. So now we have this 6-gallon jug that actually fits better on the back of my bike.
Wall Drug and Cafe is right up here.
Oh, okay. Okay, we have made the pilgrimage to Wall Drug.
Got our free ice water.
Yes, and our 5-cent coffee.
Yes, and our 5-cent coffee.
Richard's coherent now. All right, so history, real quick. About 2 million people actually make this visit to this Wall Drug. And I guess they're attracted to the fact that there's about 3,000 signs altogether on all of these roads that announce you need to go to Wall Drug in 33 miles, free ice water at Wall Drug. So where did this all come from? 1939, Ted and Dorothy Husted bought a small drugstore in the town of Wall. I think it was about 326 people altogether. And they gave it 5 years to be successful, and they kind of starved for those first 5 years, actually. It was not successful. They were kind of banking on the fact that when Mount Rushmore opened, all the tourists would come here.
Would be coming through this area,
so,
especially coming from the east.
Yes.
Yeah.
they didn't. It became 1936, and Dorothy, God bless the little woman, had this fabulous idea of, hey, these people, they're hot, they're thirsty, they're dusty, there's no air conditioning, and there's no bottled water back in 1936. Let's offer them, we have ice and we have water. Let's offer them free ice water and see if we can attract some people to come to our store and know what's going on. So she convinced Ted and their son to make up a couple signs. That was the original.
That's the original one.
Yes, of the 3,000 plus signs that are out there now. Ted was kind of skeptical, but he's like, you know, hey, I'll give it a shot. They went, they put the signs out, and slowly but surely, the rest is history. What went from a small drugstore
to how big now?
50,000 square feet of
retail gift shop
a
stuff.
Conglomerate of restaurants.
Really good pastries. We had a pecan roll,
Yep.
5-cent coffee, and free ice water, but $10 donuts.
Yep.
And the cinnamon rolls look awesome.
Yep.
5-cent coffee, which was actually pretty good coffee. It wasn't bad.
Yeah, we'll drink whatever's coffee.
Yeah. But it's a awesome place. We've got a pilgrimage here, and you can see our bikes are parked back there in the back.
Yep.
And we're ready to keep heading east and head to the Mississippi River Road at some point.
Yep. So next stop from here is a little town of Cottonwood. There's an old church I want to check out, and then we're going to try to go take a soak at the Struppel Hotel is what we're going to try to do.
And they have mineral baths there.
It's curative. All right, we'll see you on the road.
Yep. We'll see ya.
Cottonwood, and I had read population 10, but the sign says population 9.
So somebody either moved out or died.
All right, I don't know why, but I just absolutely adore old buildings. And this is an old church in Cottonwood, South Dakota. And I read about it, wanted to stop by, check it out. Glad I did. We can't go inside. They have keep out signs, but
It looks like it's
yeah, they might be wanting us to keep out because of the, it might fall over. It's so cool. Please closed. Please call on-call personnel on duty. Okay, I'm excited. So the owners are away, but they're on an on-call system. They're out to lunch, so we gave them a call. We're at the Struppel Hotel, which has mineral baths for $10. So we gave them a call. They gave us the code to the key, told us what to do to walk in and make ourselves at home. So that's exactly what we're going to do. Molly out. I don't know if she's both or not. Hi, baby. Hi, Molly. You're the guard dog.
It's like a house.
It is a house.
It's without permission. Must have signed acknowledge it to plunge. Hook into the Struppel Hotel's minerals. So there's a north end and a... So this is the north end elevator.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, this is just 106.
Wow.
I think I'm just mush. now. It's nice and warm. It's really, really, really refreshing. Highly recommend it. Come by, spend 20 minutes and soak in a mineral bath. It's fantastic.
Okay, maybe we should just stay here. Who wants to go riding now?
Yeah.
Let's, what do you always say? Choose up sides and take a nap?
Yeah.
Oh, that was very refreshing. We thought 106 was going to be too hot, but no, not at all.
No, it was good. It was, I think it was just 106 right where the water was coming out.
Oh, okay.
So it was definitely not quite 106.
Yeah, it was perfect.
I'm going to go first.
You're going to go first?
I'm going to go first. I want to go slide down slide first.
If you are elderly, like Richard and I, this is going to bring back
elderly?
This is going to bring back some memories.
I'm still 25.
Inside, up here.
Yeah.
We're 25 up here.
Correct. And I'm 25 here too.
Okay. Love you, baby. This is going to bring back some memories for some of you. It did for us.
Denial is not a river in Egypt. Oh, wait, look.
Oh my gosh. Seriously? I'll wait for you at the other end.
You'll have to go. This is unicorn. This is all you, baby.
Oh yeah, it's all unicorns and rainbows.
Because you are a unicorn. Not very many women will do what you do.
Okay, I'm ready.
Are you ready? Little short steps like it was when I was a kid. Oh my gosh, this is high. Whee!
It's not as fast as it used to be.
I know.
Okay, my turn.
Okay, your turn. With your unicorn.
With my unicorn.
Because you're a unicorn. I call her a unicorn because how many women do you know want to live in a camper and ride motorcycles?
Wow. Oh, do you remember this, Richard?
I do.
I don't know.
It was awesome.
Do you remember what we used to do? Is you'd hold this
and swing in it.
and you'd swing down.
Yes.
Whoa, I lost my little face.
Oh, you should see your face. That was great. That was great. Did you see her face coming down that?
That was really fun.
Go do it again.
No,
that was it?
Yeah.
You had your fun?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Bring back memories of when we were, what,
on.
12?
Here you go. Hold that. I do have to do it again. That was like...
Let's see.
I think it's the pants that make me go fast.
Yeah.
Woo, now prepare for it.
Oh! Sprinklers on. Okay, that was pretty cool. That was pretty fun.
that was pretty fun. I love those spur of the moment things.
and where are we going next? Here on South Dakota, here we come.
Yes. Snagged a table from way over there, but now we have someone helping us bring it back. That'll work. Yeah. Yeah. Want me to come play? Hold on. It's up now. We're leaving? Ooh. So South Dakota has, when they say, 30% chance of rain and you're in that 30% where the rain's going to fall, it's pretty darn impressive.
So, here's what we want to watch. This is the storm up to now. And there's a warning, so we may just skirt it. But it could turn at any time and get real heavy, so... It's not a little bit. It's like an inch and a half in a half hour.
It's like a deluge.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we had rain just about all night. It would come in and dump and then wander away, come in, dump. It probably did it like 5 times. I don't know. We didn't get a lot of sleep. So
I was more worried about lightning. There was lightning everywhere.
Yes.
It was just like a light show inside here.
Yeah, it was pretty illuminated inside Ruby. So we're getting a really, really late start because we were waiting for the rain, and everything outside is soggy, wet. But we're packing up and gonna head to the town of Redwood Falls. We have been bopping right along for quite a while, and we need to settle down for a couple days, take care of some business, and that's next on the agenda. But I'm sure it's a beautiful ride between here and Redwood Falls. Hopefully. They're talking about rain though.
Not quite.
I'm sorry, I'm still just amazed. We had like torrential downpour all night, and now there's not a single cloud in sight.
Extremely humid.
All right, we're almost ready to go.
All right, here it comes.
Just the slightest little bit of a hill breaks our momentum. World's largest pheasant. World's largest. That's what I get. It cracks me up.
World's largest pheasant statue.
Yes.
Because if it was real, I would be kind of scared.
Yeah. Yes, it would be catching. How old is this place?
Well, let's see, it's been Manilas Grocery since 1925.
Okay.
Before that, it was a saloon.
Oh, it was a saloon.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Wow.
You got the old tin ceiling.
I'm not kidding, that's a bullet hole.
And a bullet hole right there.
Where?
Relatively
Right there.
recent.
That's a boat.
Relatively recent.
Oh,
Really?
dear.
One of our renters upstairs messing around with his gun. He fessed up to it about a week later.
Should hear the stories now. The couple guys that were here, all of a sudden now it's parting their hair.
Yeah.
So, Manilas Grocery, founded in 1925, used to be an old saloon, and its first bullet hole actually happened just recently.
Just recently from the upstairs renter.
Yes. That was pretty interesting
And I guess
story.
I guess the story has been elaborated on now.
Yes.
Where there
It's
were
like a
people
fishing-
inside it. Yeah, a fishing story. It's the bullet just grazed his head. He heard the whistling by, and the guy was actually in the bathroom and nowhere near where it came through.
It's one of those fishing tales.
Yeah.
But anyway, we bought a sandwich for the road, and we're all set. Laura Ingalls Wilder's home, 4 blocks this way. Wow. Do you think this is what Dispersed looked like when she lived here?
Ingles graves over here.
I am wandering around looking for the Ingles gravesite. I don't know. It's just fascinating.
Yeah, three kids. Three small children.
Aww.
And a stillborn, and then this guy lived forever. He lived 90 through First, Second World,
Wow.
Vietnam, Korea, all of the wars, Depression, the whole 9 yards. He got the whole
1825.
1825.
Oh my gosh,
1920.
he was almost 100 years old.
He was dead.
All right, so we are in Dispersed, South Dakota, in the cemetery, wandering around looking for Laura Ingalls Wilder's family's cemetery plot.
Say that 5 times fast.
Yes, but first we're gonna eat lunch. You know, we've eaten lunch in some really fantastic places, so we thought, hey, why not? We'll eat lunch in the cemetery, and
Well, we're not technically...
in remembrance of the people from the past.
Yeah.
That's what I think is really cool. So we're gonna go eat our
And
sandwiches.
we're not actually in the cemetery.
No, we're on the little
We're
road.
on the little side road on the
Yes.
outside.
We're
But
gonna-
we're hanging with the Albrights.
Yes, we're hanging with the Albrights and gonna eat our little sandwiches from Manilas grocery store. And
Yeah, so here's the sandwich. That was discussed at during what? It is quite the sandwich.
that is quite the sandwich. Okay, okay, I'm a little impressed. That looks good.
Let's see. Hard salami, mayo.
Yummy.
Very good. So,
Cheese.
so what'd you get? Same thing?
I got the same thing, only on rye bread.
What did we get?
It's a monster. I don't remember what it was called, but
Oh, the Dagwood.
oh, okay. This
It was
is
the Dagwood.
Dagwood, and it's like, this is definitely a meat lover's sandwich.
Yes. Mother, 1839 to 1924. There's Mom.
Okay, so okay.
There's Grandma.
There's Ma.
There's Mom.
There's
This is a grandson.
that's the son of Laura Ingalls Wilder and Almanzo. That's their baby son. There's Mary. This has got to be Grace, the youngest. Wow. So where's Pa? Oh, is this Pa
Laura.
right here?
Mom.
Right here?
What? Ingles. Yeah.
Charles, yeah, Charles Ingalls, born in 1833.
And died in 1802? No.
1902?
1838 to 1902. it has to be.
So he died in 1902? Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
So there's Grandma and Grandpa. Or no, this is Mom and Dad.
This is Pa.
Mom and
Ma,
Pa and the kids.
and 2 daughters and a grandson. Okay, I'm dating myself, but if y'all ever grew up on reading the books from Laura Ingalls Wilder, the House on the Prairie series, I think this is pretty cool to come and see their gravestones. Just makes you realize how fast and how short life is. Get out and live it.
What's in the dash?
I know. We know what.
What they do between that dash?
Well, we know that because
They created a legacy.
yes, they had a book, so we know a little bit.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy. When you come to a cemetery, what is the last thing you want to see? Is a pretty good sized hole next to a gravesite. See this?
Yeah.
Is he trying to get out? What's going on?
All right, so we got kicked out. Well, not really. We're on the wrong side of the border, so we have to move Ruby back over here where the bikes are because she can't be over there where the picnic table and the grill is. I guess. Anyway, whatever. It's okay.
We're going away. Get your bag, check the tag. Decision is made. Lock your door, need no more. It's already.
My thing says 39.
Yeah, right at 40, you're perfect.
So what do the tires say?
Tires say 45 max.
Okay.
You know, I can get my arm in here now. First thing I did is check the TPMS on the phone, and the rear tire was at 36 psi, 42 max on this Michelin Commander, so I'm going to run them at 40. And front tire's fine, front tire's right at 40, and the rear tire was at 36, so I'm going to pump it up a little bit. Oh, look at that, they put in a new, oh, that's handy.
Okay, I don't remember if
What are we doing?
I don't remember if we said that we arrived here or not, and what the heck we're doing. So we're in. No, we did say we are in the town of Redwood Falls. We're camping in Ramsey Park.
And we chose this park because it's got showers, and we needed to get some work done.
Yes. So here's the deal. We are getting ready to launch onto the Great River Road.
I got an idea.
What?
Let's go ride 100 miles for lunch.
Best Pie.
It does have Best Pie though.
Oh.
It has the Best Pie.
We're trying to set the bikes up for departure tomorrow. It's supposed to be rainy, so we're trying to get them as close to Ruby as possible. Okay, come here.
I love spam, sausage, egg, and spam.
Oh my gosh, Richard is singing the spam song.
Spam, 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 spam.
Try getting that out of your head now. Good luck.